Hey guys, it's me again, Nicholas Hodges. I'm about to be making a video about this bow and arrow. I don't know, like a crossbow nerf gun. So let me. I think y'all seen that one. Don't know for sure, but I'm sure I should it right here. Yeah, it's pretty good nerf gun. Just wanted to show you all. Because there it is. So I showed y'all it. Okay, I'm going to end this at 1 minute. Bye. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. See you later. Make more videos.